Balita segment here on Kababayan Today, we connected you to news and events happening here in Los Angeles, in California, in the U.S., in the Philippines, and around the globe. And now we're going to connect to our Kababayans in Hawaii. Joining us via Skype is the programs director of Philcom Center to talk to us about what's happening, what's hot on their side of the Pacific. Arceli, hello and welcome to Kababayan Today.
Hi, Janelle. Good morning. How are you?
Magandang hapon sa'yo. Morning pa ba dyan sa Hawaii?
Yes.
3:30 in
It's
Hawaii.
morning here.
Yes, good afternoon.
Magandang
Yes.
umaga pa rin.
Ayan. All right, Arceli, let's talk about your panawagan, kumbaga, sa ating mga kababayan na may oras na mag-volunteer sa inyong mga programs dyan sa Philcom Center.
Yeah, because, Janelle, we just had our citizenship classes, katatapos lang nung Sabado. And then may mga, I think one of our problems for our kababayan is that they have limited English proficiency. So we have partnered with Hawaii Literacy that they have adult literacy program. So we're recruiting tutor for volunteer tutor actually para magturo sa aming mga kababayan na hindi sila marunong or konti lang ang kanilang kaalaman para sa English. So kaya nahihirapan sila na mahirapan silang makaintindi. So yung aming
Siyempre, Arceli, no, importante para sa ating mga kababayan na maging matatas sa wikang Ingles or sa English. Because we need that for, citizenship exams. We need that for looking for jobs. And this is a good program of Philcom Center. But, this is also news to me. Diba sinasabi nila tayo nga raw mga Filipinos compared to other Asian ethnic communities, we're more fluent in English. So, problema pala ito sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Hawaii?
Kasi mostly ang aming mga estudyante is like yung adults, yung mga old folks. So, medyo nahirapan sila. Kahit matagal na sila dito sa Amerika, yun ang kanilang problema. Hindi sila marunong sa Ingles.
Alright. And what do you need, Arceli, para dun sa mga gustong mag-volunteer? What kind of commitment is needed from them? Ilang oras ba ito at tuwing kailan, especially for the training?
Actually, they're not just, so that hindi lang volunteer, kailangan din silang mag-training. So we require 16-hour training actually from Hawaii Literacy program. So kung gusto nilang mag-volunteer to help our kababayan, tumawag lang sila dito sa Philcom Center and then ibigay namin yung telephone number ng Hawaii Literacy, yung office nila. And then they can call Darcy. The number is...
Yes, that's good to have. The phone. What's the phone number? Do we have that?
Darcy. The number is...
Yes, that's good to have. The phone. What's the phone number? Do we have that?
The phone number is 537-6706. Or they can go to their website at www.hawaiiliteracy.org.
All right. What about the website of Philcom Center para mas marami pang kaalaman tungkol sa mga events niyo dyan sa Philcom?
Yes, our website is www.philcom.org.
All right. And also, Arceli, last question. Para dun sa mga makapasa sa 15-hour training na kailangan, what kind of commitment is needed from them para tumulong? So will they be on call or kailangan ba nilang pumunta sa Philcom Center at certain hours of the day?
They can come to the office or they'll be on call. And they will be nationally certified by Pro Literacy. That's they're affiliated with the Hawaii Literacy program.
All right. So in short, log on to their website www.philcom.org to get more information. Thank you so much for joining us, Arceli. Have a great day.
Thank you, Janelle. Thank you. You too.
All right, when we return on Kababayan Today, we are going to have Social Media Monday, where we talk about tips on how to make your Facebook posts more engaging. Also, we need to be reminded from time to time about Facebook etiquette. We're going to be discussing that as well. Don't go away.